How's it going, everyone? Finboys TV back here with another video today. It's been a long time. The water's been really bad. We've been busy, so we got our kayaks out today, and we're gonna get to her. We got some bandito bugs to throw. Hopefully, we catch some 6-pounders in here.
Probably.
So I'll get back to you when we're
On the water.
on the water.
Let's get to her.
All right, boys. So we're back on the water right now. I'm gonna be using the Guggen baits. Literally the best brand out there. I'm using the Alabama Craw. I got a Texas rig with a bolt weight on it. First cast here, had a tiny one on. Hopefully the big ones can do the same thing. We're gonna be heading, I don't know if you can see this little area right here. We're gonna be heading over there, fishing all this, and then we're gonna be heading, let me just show you. We got all that water to fish, so I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling. Hopefully we can get some good ones on.
There's a good one. Shook this wacky rig Senko.
Beautiful day in Minnesota. It's been a long minute since we've made a YouTube video, but the water's been really bad. This lake used to literally have no water in it whatsoever. It got all dried out. Dawson has the GoPro right now. There's one. Decent. Stay down, come on, baby. Come on, baby, stay down. Bro, first cast over here, I freaking called it. Freaking toad. Good Minnesota fish right there. Look. Might not be any bass right here. Small little doink. Stay down, girl. Just a little baby. I knew it. Called it right away. There's one. I couldn't tell if he was on the whole time or not, but I think he might have came back and gotten it after I already hooked him.
I've got two. I got one okay one, one really small one. Hunter's got a big, probably pushing 3 pounds, and then a little doink so far that I've seen. Not too bad. Let's see if we can get on some more though. Throwing a wacky rig, Gary Yamamoto Senko. Seems to be the juice today. I think I'm snagged. Or not. We're definitely snagged. Alright, we can get off now. Thank you. Maybe next time.
That was my voice. Staying hydrated is key. I'm a penguin. Dawson, bro, come here, come here. Come here, bro.
That's actually a fish!
Yes, bro.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN.
I've never seen a fish like in my life.
This is like Alabama right here.
Yeah.
The video does not do justice, guys. An absolute tank. That is my biggest bass I've ever caught in my whole life, guys. Bro, Guggen baits, I'm telling you. Guggen baits. I'm getting a thumbnail for this. Bro, that was the prime spot to cast too.
Alright guys, got the scale. About to weigh this tank.
Okay, we're about to weigh it. Let me dip it down one more time. Ready?
Yeah.
£4, 4.5 pounds. Dang. Still, that's the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life, though.
It's the biggest one I've ever seen.
4.5 pounds over here, guys. Good.
Let's get a
I'm
release.
gonna have Dawson hold it one more time, and we're gonna have the honor of releasing this absolute monster, guys. 4.5 pounds right there. Minnesota brute. Let's get this bad boy on release. We've been holding him up for a while. Let's water buck. Back. Into her home. See you later, baby girl. There she goes. Just caught a good sized bass right off of discolored Senko. Cheap Senko, but this guy's bleeding right now. I don't know what from. Might have just ate something, but I'm gonna go ahead and put him back and get it back to her. All right, guys. So we just got all the kayaks loaded up. I caught 7 fish today. How many you catch? 2. Caught 2 fish. I caught the 4.5 pounder that you guys saw. He caught about 2.5 pounders. So it was a really good day. It's just the walk was really tough. So I think that should do it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know when we get a new video uploaded. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.